Welcome to this week's video. My name is Aguemraouirealtor. I am your local real estate agent and property manager here in Orlando, Florida. In today's video, I want to share with you the real estate market watch. We're going to look at week 44, which is from October 24th to October 31st, and we're going to talk about the sales and rental portions of the market. Let's begin with the sales. We had a total of 902 new listings in the past week. This is below the average for the year, which is 1,033. 961 properties are pending, or which means they're under contract. This is way below the average of the year, which is 1,286. 860 properties were sold in the past week. This is way below the average for the year, which is 1,091. 386 properties were taken off the market for sale. This is above the average of the year, which is 330. 354 properties were able to come back on the market for sale, and this is slightly above the average for the year, which is 327. In terms of sales prices, 1,469 properties had to reduce their sales price. This is more than double of the average of the year, which is 715. Only 89 properties were able to increase their sales price, and this is less than half of the average of the year, which is 170. Let's look at the rentals. We had 387 new listings in the past week. This is way above the average for the year, which is 279. 168 properties are pending, which means they are processing an application. This is slightly above the average for the year, which is 156. 272 properties were rented out in the past week, and this is slightly above the average for the year, which is 253. 111 properties were taken off the market for sale, and this is above the average for the year, which is 111. 46 properties were able to come back on the market for rent, and again, this is above the average for the year, which is 34. In terms of rental prices, 419 properties had to reduce their rental price. This is more than triple of the average of the year, which is 176. 40 properties were able to increase their rental price, and this is above the average of the year, which is 31. This is going to be the end of this week's summary. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you next week.